Good morning friends. Today is Friday 7th of January 2022. Today we are going to the airport, though today is holiday. I just wanted to show this video to you because the kind of services we give to the students has to be told. So we are going to the airport to pick up one of our student who is coming all alone from India, from Hyderabad. She studies in Jadat Sikdar Medical College, and today we are going to pick her up from airport because her parents requested that she is coming all alone and it will be great if we can take her from airport to the college. Today is the day. I want to show you just with this basic information, with basic video, you can understand the kind of services can be given to the student throughout the 5 years. So with me, my colleague Ibrahim is there. Normally when I am not in Bangladesh, he is the guy who normally gives all the support like a brother to all the students, girls or boys, be it their hostel problem. So today we'll see how it works. Got down at the airport and it was an interesting journey. This is the first time I'm coming to airport by bus, and this was quite interesting. Being Friday, the traffic was less, so I could reach in almost 45 or 50 minutes from my office to airport. And you can see just outside the airport. So we have booked the Uber, and I got a call from a student. She actually completed her immigration, but the problem was she didn't do her police registration. So this is for all of you who are coming to Bangladesh for a medical education or for any kind of education. If you have a student visa, you have to make sure that whenever you come to Bangladesh, you do the police registration. There's a green card kind of form. I will share that with to show you how it looks. So you have to make sure that that green card form you have filled, and if you don't fill that form, next time you exit from the college or exit from the country, you will be asked for fine. So these are small information you must keep in mind when you are traveling in Bangladesh or when you are going out of country to go back to your home, and whenever you are coming back to join the college. We have taken the cab and we will be going to pick the student. We will check. Ibrahim is checking whether the student completed her registration or not. The terminals of Dhaka airport are nearby, so that is terminal 1 and this is terminal 2. Normally our foreign student, whenever you are coming from international terminal, you come out from terminal 2, and whenever you need pickup, even you can book Uber. It's not like always you need us to get your pickup done, but sometimes parents request us and we do that. Sometimes we send the cab, but this time I was there in Bangladesh, so I came and tried to show you how normally this pickup is done. And even taking the bus, coming to airport, these are not the big thing in Bangladesh. So traveling in public transport is also very easy thing, and it's quite safe. So we are at the airport terminal 2 arrival. So our student will be coming out. You recognize me? You could recognize me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have not met. So your luggage, everything?
Yes.
So did your police registration?
Yes,
Show me.
sir.
This you missed, right?
Yes.
You would have fined. Yes, this is the police registration you were supposed to do. Anyways. So this is how we received our student, and we will be going to the college now. How was the journey? the flight from Kolkata?
Yes.
Okay, and how long it took?
From Kolkata it was just 1 hour flight.
1 hour flight. So where, like you came from Hyderabad, right, today? In the morning you had flight from Hyderabad?
Yes, at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. So 6 a.m. you left Hyderabad. You reached Kolkata at 9. 8:30. 8, okay.
5.
So after that you went to the international terminal, right?
Yes.
And from there. So any problem as such? Like how was the journey right now in pandemic?
It was a lot of work, but it was fine.
After landing in from the flight, like what are the work you did?
In Bangladesh,
Yes.
I had to fill health declaration form,
Yes.
and then immigration form, and
Okay.
then this police registration.
And introduce yourself because if we don't know.
I'm Hareen Sayed Miraj. I'm from Hyderabad, and I'm now studying in Zainul Haq Sikdar Women's College in Dhaka, Bangladesh.
How's the college and give some details about the education.
It is good, and the education is good, and it is similar to India.
Like you went to India for what? Like like when did you come to Bangladesh for the first time?
Just in October, sir.
Okay, so this is January. So you went to celebrate the New Year?
No, sir.
So why?
We don't celebrate.
Okay, so why do you went to India for in between there were classes like holidays?
Yeah, my first term exams had finished, so there was some free days for me.
How many days you went? Like
I went for two weeks.
2 weeks. So you took 2 weeks. So and the classes were stopped or you missed some classes?
Yeah, I missed like three or four classes.
But it will be okay. Like you
Yes,
can cope up.
I'll cover it up.
Okay, so thank you so much. So this is many people ask like how's the holiday in Bangladesh? Can the student come? So as you see, like even the first term exam, because every 4 months there will be a term exam, and after 1.5 years there will be a prof exam. So the student they can take a break of 5-10 days easily without missing much of the classes and cope up with that. So it's more like India where you can take 2-4 days leave and go back to the home, eating homemade food of your mother's hand, and then you can come back and refresh and start studying again. So this is possible only in Bangladesh. Thank you. So this is while we are going from Dhaka airport to ZX Sikdar Women's Medical College, where we will be dropping our student, and then we'll go for some food. So how's the food in the college? You can tell the truth. We are not here to make any promotional video.
Indian food,
Yeah.
it's not tasty, of course.
Okay, it's not tasty, but it's hygienic and healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy.
So what you normally get as food in college? In
I
Bangladesh?
get chicken curry and some random vegetable
Okay, random vegetable curries
and dal.
and dal. This is every day or like you have some changes, fish or egg, or also given some days?
Yes, we can also, if you don't want to eat chicken, they give fish or egg.
Okay, if somebody is vegetarian, how can he cope up?
Provide dal every day for them and vegetable.
Curd, rice, dal. You get paratha or anything, roti sort of thing?
Yes.
You get roti. So a vegetarian student can manage somehow. Like obviously not the best food to have every day, but they can manage with some fruits and a vegetable added from their own pocket. They can manage to survive and study. Finally we reached the college. Today being Friday, the hospital is almost vacant. So So we are not allowed inside the hostel area. So this is all about the college. Though the hostel could have been linked from here also, like from where we came. That's our car which is going. So you can see the campus, and it was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister in 2000. So this is the whole campus. Though I can't go upstairs and show you. Today the college does not have much crowd because of being Friday, but this is a huge campus of Jadasikar Women's Medical College. This is one of the ferry ghat of Dhaka. It's in old Dhaka. We are connecting from the Sadar Ghat road. I have shown you the best parts of Bangladesh, the Gulshan, the Dhanmandi areas, but I want you to see this part too. So the ferry ghats of Bangladesh is interesting, and that's something new for me to explore. So I'm thankful to my viewers. Because of you, I'm actually exploring to make more and more videos which unexplored areas of Dhaka where even I have not visited in past.